let's go through what a good skincare routine would be for your skin. So you really need a good cleanser which takes away the oil from your skin but doesn't rob it of its moisture. So you need a face wash which is for combination skin, which maintains the oil-water balance. So even though you cleanse your skin well, it doesn't feel dry and dehydrated and stretched after you wash it. The whole idea is to trap water, and the whole idea is to control oil. And that's how a combination skin gets balanced and becomes more normal. You're young, so you really don't have to use very many serums, but a nice serum which will help your skin to remain one-toned, bright and even is a vitamin C serum. Lightly applied with your fingertips. I'm going to apply it on you. So you're going to apply just a little bit of serum, but remember to put it all the way to the end of your jawline out here, as well as to the end of your hairline. And remember to dab it lightly around the eyes as well. Follow the bone and come down all the way here. But don't put it close to the eyelids. Slightly blend it in. If you're doing it on your neck, you just go upwards. Let me tell you how much sunscreen to use. It should be at least a fingertip amount. So when you're doing your face, you do one fingertip. When you're doing your neck, you do another fingertip. Now there are some newer sunscreens that are out which not only protect against UVA and UVB, but they also protect against infrared. You could end by putting a bit of a lip balm or a lip gloss which has an SPF. A very important order to know is cleanse, moisturize, sunscreen, then makeup. How do we layer at night? Cleanse, makeup off, then a serum which could be a hydrating serum, then your moisturizer. But when you're very young, you don't need a hydrating serum. You can just use a moisturizer which also has hyaluronic acid in it. And then you can put a light night cream just to seal it in. And then you need to use your eye product. Take a pea-sized amount and just put it around your eyes along the bone and just let it get absorbed. And for those of us who are 30 plus, you could also use anti-aging product which is in a serum base with retinol. You could use something with glycolic acid. You also get resurfacing creams for those with scars. And then you can seal it with the moisturizer. And all these products, fingertip amount, is more than enough for the entire face.